In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge cells in Google Sheets without losing your data by focusing on how to concatenate rows, columns, or cells. Merging data effectively can be a handy skill, whether you're arranging information for clarity or preparing to share it with others. Let's go through this process step by step, ensuring you get the most out of your Google Sheets experience. First, you'll want to open your Google Sheet. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and navigate to Google Sheets and open the specific document where you wish to perform the merging. If you're unfamiliar with spreadsheets, don't worry, we'll take this one step at a time. Google Sheets is a versatile tool that makes it relatively simple to manage and manipulate data, and learning to concatenate or merge can give you a more organized view. Now, start by selecting cell C2. You do this by simply clicking on the cell's location in the spreadsheet grid. Whether you're new to spreadsheets or just need a refresher, selecting cells is as simple as clicking your mouse or trackpad over the desired location. With C2 selected, it's time to input your formula. Click into the formula bar at the top or directly into the cell and type concatenate B2, A2. This formula is what will allow you to merge the contents of the cells you're targeting. Let me break it down for you. Concatenate is the command you're using to tell Google Sheets to join together text from multiple cells. In this example, we're telling the program to take the data from B2, add a space, which is indicated by, and then combine it with the data in cell A2. The space in between them ensures that when text is merged, it won't appear as a single jumbled word. Once you've entered your formula, press the Enter key. Simple as that. By doing this, you've just commanded Google Sheets to execute the formula you typed in, and you should now see the merged content in cell C2. This step brings everything together, visibly demonstrating that your formula worked. Next, you'll want to apply autofill to replicate this formula down an entire column, saving you time. You can do this by positioning your cursor over the small blue square at the bottom right corner of cell C2 until it turns into a crosshair, then clicking and dragging downward. This action uses Google Sheets' autofill feature to extend your formula so that it applies throughout the rest of your selected data range, effectively merging rows below as well. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily learn how to merge cells in Google Sheets without the risk of losing data. This method of concatenating is not just about merging, it's about managing information more efficiently and ensuring clarity in your data presentations. Happy organizing!